Hello everyone, today's topic is from embryology, derivatives of germ layer. At the end of the third week, we have three germ layers, ectoderm, mesoderm and endoderm. Mesoderm is further divided into paraxial, intermediate and lateral plate mesoderm. First of all, derivatives of ectodermal germ layer. Ectodermal germ layer, if we cut at the level of the amniotic cavity, if we see through the amniotic cavity, we get upper layer is ectodermal germ layer with primitive streak. At the end of the third week, we have three germ layers. After third week, due to the influence of after the formation of the germ layers, due to the influence of the notochord, this is the notochord at TS, this is the notochord. At influence of this notochord, overlying ectoderm get thickens. Overlying ectoderm get thickens, and this thickening of overlying ectoderm leads to formation of neural plate. This is neural plate, and this neural plate forms neuroectoderm, is responsible for formation of the neuroectoderm, and formation of the neural plate is the first step towards the neurulation process. Now, what are the molecules or what are the inducing factors for formation of neural tube? In the forebrain region, or for neurulation, in the forebrain region, there is increase in fibroblast growth factor and concentration, and decrease in BMP4. And in hindbrain and spinal cord region, fibroblast growth factor increases, and with fibroblast growth factor, WNT3A gene also increases. Along with these factors, we have a major role of retinoic acid during neurulation process. Retinoic acid is in vitamin A, that is retinol. It organizes the cranial to caudal axis because it can re-specify the cranial segments into more caudal segments by regulating the expression of homeobox gene. By regulating the expression of the homeobox gene. Homeobox gene are responsible for the development and the growth at genetic level. Now, what is neurulation? This question is asked when neural plate forms neural tube, process by which neural plate is converted into neural tube. This is termed as neurulation. It occurs by lengthening of the neural plate and the body axis. With the growth, body or the embryo grows, body axis lengthens and neural plate lengthens. It occurs by phenomenon that is convergent extension, and it is regulated by planar cell polarity pathway. Now, this is the neural plate. As the embryo grow, as growth occur, as lengthening occur, the lateral border of the neural plate elevates. Lateral border of the neural plate elevates, and mid region get depressed, and this depressed region is termed as neural groove, and the elevated lateral borders are termed as neural folds. This is neural groove, these are the neural folds, and these two ends of the neural folds come closer to form a tube-like structure, that is neural tube. Few cells from the tip or from the neural crest apex, these cells get loosened and that get detached from the crest, and they further form neural crest cells as name suggests, and these cells migrate into mesoderm and undergo epithelial to mesenchymal transition, which we study later, and rest of these cells form neural tube. This is neural plate, and this folding occur and closure first occur at cervical segment. Closure first occur at cervical segment, and then it zip upward and downward, and open ends are termed as neuropore. Cranial end is termed as anterior neuropore, and posterior end is termed as caudal neuropore. What is neuropore? Openings during the formation or during the neurulation process, when neural groove or neural plate is get converted into neural tube. During that transition process, this neural plate is in direct contact with the amniotic cavity. This is ectoderm. Overlying ectoderm get thickened to form neural plate, and this neural plate get folds to form neural tube. And above the ectoderm we have amniotic cavity. Neuropore, anterior end cranial neuropore and posterior end caudal neuropore. These neuropore fuses first at 25th day at 18 to 20 somite stage. Anterior neuropore get closed. This is asked in Viva, that when these neuropore get closed, anterior neuropore get closed at 25th day and posterior neuropore closed at 28th day at 25 somite stage, and it get closed at 18 to 20 somite stage. Same. First fusion occur at cervical level. These are the two neuropores, and anterior neuropore closes at 25th day, posterior at 28th day. These are the process. Anterior neuropore, posterior neuropore. Anterior neuropore closes day 25th, somite 18 to 20 somite, and posterior neuropore closure at 28th day and somite 25 somite stage. If these neuropores stay open or neural tube have any communication with the amniotic cavity, it leads to neural tube defects, and we make another video on NTDs. NTD come as a short note question. Of ectoderm. Ectoderm, as the name suggests, it gives rise to organs and structure that maintain the contact with the outside environment. It forms central nervous system, that is CNS, PNS, that is peripheral nervous system, sensory epithelium of ear, nose and eye, epidermis including the hair and the nails. In addition, it gives rise to subcutaneous gland, mammary glands, pituitary gland and enamel of the tooth. Neural crest cells, which are also derived from the ectoderm, these also gives rise to connective tissue and bones, cranial nerve ganglia, C cells of thyroid, conotruncal septum of the heart, odontoblasts that form the dentine, dermis in the face and neck, spinal dorsal root ganglia, sympathetic chain and pre-aortic ganglia, parasympathetic ganglia, adrenal medulla, Schwann cell, glial cell, meninges of the forebrain, melanocytes, smooth muscle cell to blood vessels of the face and forebrain. Neural crest cell, the term is given by Marshall, used in the book Morphology of the Vertebrate Organ. Thank you.